Hi, I'm Ed Lopez and welcome to our wine cellar. We want to thank Armina Stone for helping us realize a dream that we've been working on for a while. We were shopping for an amazing stone to bring the wine cellar to life. We knew we wanted a stone that would encompass the essence of red wine. So it would have to have burgundies and whites and these beautiful colors to make this wine cellar come to life. We stopped in Armina Stone. They were all extremely helpful. They educated me on quality and cuts of the stone. Then my search went on. I actually went to other locations to find the perfect stone. Well, we came back to Armina because they had the most amazing stone of Calacatta Viola exotic that we absolutely fell in love with. And with their design team and the fabrication technology that they have, they showed us how they can make our wine cellar come to life. And there we went. We signed with Armina, and sure enough, they made our dreams come true. The stone is absolutely everything that we've wanted. It has the colors and essence of the wine that we showcase, and their whole team was very accommodating, very professional. The installation team was amazing. They assured us that all the cuts would look like one giant piece of stone, and that's what they did. So I want to give my regards to the staff at Armina Stone, the whole operation, Alexandra, Adrian, and Maria, amazing. So salud, and thank you for helping us get our dreams come true for our beautiful wine cellar.